In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Patreon posts. If you need to remove an old, outdated, or accidental post from your Patreon page, the process is pretty straightforward once you know where to look. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along at your own pace. To begin, open Patreon and log into your creator account. Once you're signed in, look to the left-hand navigation menu and select Creator Studio. This is the main area where you manage your content, posts, and other creator tools. If you're not sure where to start, Creator Studio is the right place because it gives you access to the back end of your Patreon page rather than the public view. After that, click on Library. This will take you to the section where your published posts are stored. Think of the library as the place where you can review everything you've already shared with your audience. Opening this tab makes it much easier to manage older content, especially if you post regularly and have a larger backlog. Once you're in the library, find the specific post you want to delete. You may need to scroll through your published posts, sort them, or use the search box to locate it more quickly. If you have a lot of content, using search can save time and help you avoid deleting the wrong post. It's a good idea to pause for a moment here and double check the title or preview before moving forward, just to make sure you've selected the correct one. When you've found the post, click the three dots menu icon on the postcard. This opens a small menu with additional options for that post. From there, choose Delete. Patreon will then ask you to confirm your choice. Go ahead and confirm the deletion if you're sure. Keep in mind that deleting a post is a permanent action, so it's worth taking one last look before you confirm. If the post contains information you may want later, consider reviewing it carefully first. That way you can be confident you're removing exactly what you intend to remove. And that's it. Once confirmed, the post will be deleted from your Patreon content library. If this video helped, you can use the same process anytime you need to clean up or manage your public